This is the moment of truth. Will you go out and practice? Will you take on something just for you? Will you do Kundalini Yoga so that you can feel more regulated, feel a little bit more stable in your emotional sense? Will you do it for your body? Will you do it to clarify your mind? I'm thinking yes. What we are living in right now is a time of a lot of change. And the interesting part, how the ancient mirrors the modern, is that Kundalini energy itself, the energy of consciousness, is associated with the divine feminine. And as we explore this practice, as we see the interest in this practice really exploding now, what we see also mirrored in society is this desire for women to rise up, for the divine feminine to take as important and equal role as all of the masculine has. And the divine feminine is about creation, about flow, about experiencing. And that's really what you get to step into now with your practice. How can each and every single one of us step into that divine flow, to tap into who we are and how we are, what we came here to do, and to really give ourselves the opportunity to explore that in all the different ways that are available. And yes, we do explore through education, through family, through personal relationships. And then we also need to explore through our own lens, because you came here with purpose. You came here with an idea of what you needed to learn, how you were going to do it, and that you were going to do it. So whatever stuck feeling you're having, whatever place in your life that you found yourself here in, just know that it's temporary. Nothing lasts forever, and including the situations in our life, the people in our life. So I want to remind you that the important beingness in your practice is you. You, the being. You, the one who makes a decision every day to sit down and practice. You who decides to keep a mantra in the back of your mind as you're doing your daily stuff, or taking a breath when you feel stressed, or enjoying each moment, savoring each moment, because you know it's temporary. And so here we are together. And as you go along and you find the different practices that appeal to you, that call you in, please invite your friends and your family into it as well. Tell them about it. Share with them how you're growing and how you're learning and how you're changing. And if they don't have an appetite for it, know that you can comment here and lots of people will engage with you. There is always an opportunity for you to be more you. And remember that 20% of change happens here in the mind, and 80% of it happens here in the body system. And when you move your body and you control your breath and you filter your mind, that's where change comes from. That's where transformation comes from. Remember, I'm just a click away. All the links are in my bio. There's lots of links below to my beginner playlist. That's a really important starting spot. Simple practices that appeal to lots of different body types and mobilities and identities and all those things. Okay, so enjoy your practice. Drop a comment below. Let me know where you're starting, and just know that you are loved and you're meant to be here. See you soon.